Net present value is the difference between the present value of cash inflows and the present value of cash outflows over a period of time. Net present value is arrived at by using this formula. Net present value is equal to present value minus initial investment or cash outlay. To get present value is equal to cash inflow of year 1 divided by 1 plus interest rate over 100 into bracket raised to power 1 plus cash inflow of year 2 divided by 1 plus interest rate over 100 into bracket raised to power 2 plus cash inflow of year 3 divided by 1 plus interest rate over 100 raised to power 3 plus cash inflow of year 4 divided by 1 plus interest rate over 100 raised to power 4, and the formula continues depending on the number of years given or offered. The following is the acceptance rule used in the net present value. It says that accept the project if the net present value is positive, and reject the project if the net present value is negative. Let us use the following example to help us understand much about the net present value. A firm is considering investing in a project which costs 6,000 shillings and has the following cash inflows. Cash inflow of year 1 is 1,500. The cash inflow of year 2 is 3,000. The cash inflow of year 3 is 2,000. And lastly, the cash inflow of year 4 is 2,500. The cost of capital is 10% and the project has no salvage value. Using the net present value method, advise the firm on whether to invest in the project or not. Solution: I say that to get the net present value is equal to present value minus initial investment or cash outlay, and to get present value is equal to cash inflow of year 1 divided by 1 plus interest rate over 100 raised to power 1 plus cash inflow of year 2 divided by 1 plus interest rate over 100 into bracket raised to power 2 plus cash inflow of year 3 divided by 1 plus interest rate over 100 raised to power 3 plus cash inflow of year 4 divided by 1 plus interest rate into bracket raised to power 4. So the first cash inflow of the first year was 1,500 over 1 plus our interest rate was given as 10%, so 10% is equal to 0.1 raised to power 1 plus cash inflow of year 2 was 3,000 raised divided by 1, our interest rate was 10%, which is equal to 0.1 raised to power 2. Our cash inflow of year 3 was 2,000 raised to power, divided by 1 plus 0.1 raised to power 3. And our last cash flow was 2,500 divided by 1 plus 0.1 raised to power 4. After calculating, the total present value is equal to 7,053.04. To get our net present value is equal to present value minus initial investment or cash outlay. Therefore, our PV already is 7,053.04 minus initial investment, which was equal to 6,000. To get our net present value, we subtract PV minus initial investment which gives us 1053.04. We were told to advise the firm on whether to accept or reject the project. The acceptance rules I had stated says that if the project has a net present value or if the NPV is high, you accept the project. We'll accept this project since it has a positive net present value.